Hi guys. Okay, we're finally going to open my Maruchan box. Look how big it is. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today and us. Okay guys, here is the first box. There's two boxes in here, a red one and a yellow box. And here's the first one. It's nice and red. Soup it in style. Look at all the yummy goodness, guys. Some cute hats. One for me. Popo, Nono, and Vale can each get one. We can each. Oh, this is so cute. I try to put one on. I have to loosen up the snaps though. These are cute. Ooh, cute. Put my glasses on. Oh yeah, that is cute. What does it say? Soup it. Soup season 2024. Oh, that is cute. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on for my unboxing. Yeah, so those are cute. And then they even packed us some cute Maruchan socks. Look at these. Straight throwback. How cute is that? So 4 pairs again. So we each get 1 pair. Oh, that's so cute. And then all of this variety of noodles. So we got some Fireball ramen spicy beef, spicy miso flavor, hot and spicy chicken, birria beef flavor, spicy chicken yakisoba. These are so bomb. A Korean barbecue flavored yakisoba, orange chicken, another Korean barbecue. Ooh, chili cheese yakisoba, and teriyaki beef. Y'all, back in the day when we were on Eastburg, we were couponing for yakisobas. We were always finding yakisoba coupons, and we would buy these for the cheap, like real cheap. But anyways, that's what came in our first box. And this is the red Soup It In style box. And then we have this box, which is super heavy. This way, yeah. I'm gonna cut this one down real quick so I can just pull the box out because it's very heavy. There you go. Nice. Oh, it's so heavy. Like that. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, nice. It's in the box collapses as you open it. Wow. Look at that. Another box inside. No, actually, it looks like a drawer. It is a drawer. How cool. Okay, so these are not part of the box. These are placemats. OMG. 1, 2. Oh, these are so cute. 3 and 4. Look at that, guys. This is a whole drawer, like a plastic. Wow. How cool is it, right? Yeah. A whole drawer. And then these, look at these. Look, and they sent one for everybody. Yeah. One for you guys here. That's yours. Whoa. This is for you. This is for you.
Thank you.
And then I get one. So they sent 4 of everything for us. It works perfect because one for me and one for the staff. Here's one for you, one for you, and then look, the socks. One for you, one for you, one for you, and one for me. It says Soup Season 2024. Let's take a picture real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open this drawer. Ready?
Okay.
Awesome. I know. Okay, let me actually push it back a little, and then we'll open it. Okay, ready? Oh my God. Wow. I know. Can you hold this while I open it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Dude, it's a whole like hot pot thing.
Oh, what is that?
Or I don't know. What's a hot plate thing?
Oh, Papa,
Maruchan. Little wooden spoon. Look at these bowls.
Dude.
Okay, so they got
stuff in it.
yeah, this is like hot pot noodles.
Soy
Soy sauce flavor. Oh, I love soy sauce flavor.
Yeah,
That's our
favorite.
favorite, huh?
Yup.
Soy sauce flavor. Oh, they also gave us the original.
Oh, the original?
wrapping.
Nice.
The gold soy sauce.
Let's
And
go.
the original. That's my favorite. Creamy chicken flavor.
Hey. Oh, that was
So we got
something.
those there. And then they gave us 3 bowls. Look.
Dude.
Soup it.
Soup.
How cute.
The bowls are cool.
It's like a perfect size.
Yeah.
One for you.
Soup it with
And a
Hey,
blue
that's
one.
cool. I like the bowls.
Wow, yeah, they're so cute. Look at that. Oh, and those
Cookie. Oh, spoons.
Oh,
Cookie in there.
Then they have chopsticks. They're
they
look,
reusable?
they're not disposable. Yeah, they're reusable.
Whoa!
So 4 of those.
Oh,
Dude, that is
Chopsticks,
so
nice.
cool.
Damn.
Guys, we are having Maruchan
Oh, yeah.
ramen called an electric single burner. That's what it's called.
Electric single
Okay.
burn. Okay.
How cool is that? We're getting our own like way of making our own hot pot. Dude, more
Oh, more.
More spoons.
spoons and
Especially-
or utensils or cooking
It's like a
stuff.
set.
That's so
That's
cute.
nice.
Soup season served.
Oh, more noodles.
Wow, more noodles.
Miso.
Spicy miso.
Ooh.
Cute. Dude, it's a whole pot.
Whoa.
With the lid? Yeah.
Wow, it's so cute. Wow. Here.
Oh, that's
hold it.
heavy.
It's a like
Oh,
it's an
damn.
official like Dutch oven-ish pot. Wow. Look at that. So we have a whole kit to make us some saimigi.
Yup.
Yeah.
Can you put the lid on, Wally?
Yeah.
I like the
Careful.
buttons too.
Oh,
And it's heavy.
Oh.
Wow, so that all came in our box. A pot, a burner, saimigi, 4 glass bowls, yellow and blue, chopsticks, and the cooking utensils.
Cool.
Dude, how cool is that in this nice drawer? Like, where are we gonna put this drawer, guys?
Right.
This is like our new saimigi drawer.
Right.
How cool is that? Anyways, thank you, Maruchan. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all the goodies and the amazing soup kit. Oh my gosh, this is so dope. We're definitely gonna be using it soon. Bye.
Bye.